I've been staying here now for a few days in Chiva-Som, and it's been an incredible journey of wellness and relaxation. It's my first time, and from the moment we arrived, we were welcomed like family. The resort is beautiful, it's on the beach, it's so well decorated, our room is fantastic. And we first arrived, they actually had a wellness consultation with my husband and me, and we shared exactly what our goals were, what are some of our issues, what are some of our concerns. I really wanted to come here to relax and de-stress and also work on my fitness. I'm always on expeditions with my nonprofits, so I really relish these moments where I get to have self-care and really look at my health holistically and see what I need to work on. So I first had that meeting. After that, they devised a program for us, which was complemented by the incredible food that they have here. The food is just so fresh and delicious from breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And we don't overeat because the portions are quite small. Everything is really fresh and healthy. So I've had a few treatments here at Chiva-Som. One of them that I really enjoyed was the deep tissue massage. Because I am someone who exercises almost every day, I do have some aches and pains as an athlete. And so that really worked its way through my body and helped me relax. I think that's the reason I slept so well last night as well. It was a 50-minute deep tissue massage by a professional therapist. It has incredible benefits for detoxifying the body, loosening up hard muscles, and really just for your general well-being and circulation and relaxation. So I've felt really different from that experience. I've also tried all the different services that they have here, including just the regular massage, the exercises. We consulted with the nutritionist and the health therapist on what are the best ways to optimize our time here. So I feel completely refreshed, like a new person, and just ready to conquer and continue working hard on all the projects that I love. So Chiva-Som is celebrating 30 years. I can't believe it. The resort looks brand new, so it's hard to believe it's been around for 30 years. They obviously care deeply about the resort, and they have renovated it regularly. I wanted to wish Chiva-Som a wonderful, happy anniversary. I hope you continue for many more years to come to impact so many people as you have over the years, including increasing their health and their wellness and happiness. Congratulations, Chiva-Som, and I hope to be back very soon.